Diba? Napakaswerte natin lahat dito na nasa downtown Davao City because everyone from all over the city, from north, south, east to west of Davao City, pahinga sa dagat, naadikita na sa downtown, celebrating Christmas with us.
Yes, and of course, and our DCEPO, the Davao City Police Office, and of course our CCTMO, they're really making sure that we're going to enjoy this event. Kaya kami po ay magpapasalamat. And you can tell them yourselves, saying, Chief, salamat for making us safe. CCTO, CCTMO, and the auxiliary.
Yes, of course. Napasalamat sa tanan, mga uniform men na ito, mga naadinig karon. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, it's almost time for Tacunan Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps. Your timer starts now.